Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. Sorry, I just got up again. My blue background is Hip Kit Club's Collect the Memories. This is the first layout with the September kit. That orange strip is from the August kit. It's left over. And my floral format is the reverse side of the orange layer from the August kit. I'm trying to use up this scraps. This is a picture in Miami when we went several years ago. Sorry, I'm tired. And there's a picture. This is a picture of a bird. It's nest up on a tower of some sort. And the tags are die cuts. The fabric die cuts are from Hip Kit. Patent, I need that. September days. And the die cuts are Paintbrush Studio, The Best Day. Those circle frames are from another kit. Oh, where are they from? Flourish, Hip Kit Club's Flourish. Which was either June or July. And those coral and teal or aqua banners are the fabric die cuts as well. The stickers are Vicki Bruton's Color Study. And then I pulled out some other Vicki Bruton stickers I had left over in my stash that I pulled out. And my title is a sticker as well. So that completes my layout. And thanks for watching. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.